lot of pressures weighed on the stock market, and technology stocks in particular finally cracked under that pressure. But I'm not ready to get bearish because market breadth is hanging in there by a thin thread. This is TLDR Stocks, where I funnel my weekly commentary into just a few key points, and the key points are all critical. We had oil going up because of the expanding and deepening crisis and war in the Middle East against Iran. Bond yields going up in response to the related inflationary pressures. And then we have investors worrying about basically AI spending spinning out of control as big tech players have insisted that they need to expand their CapEx spending and planning. Let's take a look of why I am hanging in there and not getting bearish. This is my favorite technical indicator, what I call AT54 above the 50. It bounced off of that key 50% level of support, so it's hanging in there. But the S&P 500 did close the week below its 50-day moving average. It's that red line there. The Nasdaq, as you can see, broke down. Not only has it been below its 50-day moving average, but it's below that downtrend again. So it is looking bearish. And IWM, the ETF of small caps, is hanging in there also by a thin thread right there on that 50-day moving average support, that red line. USO as a proxy of oil shows how oil has soared this past week, but it ended the week fading. So I faded it as well. TLT, which is a proxy for long-term bonds, has been declining, which means yields have been increasing. Big red flag. SMH, the ETF for semiconductor stocks, is topping out. I'm keeping a very close eye on that. Intel, bad earnings response. Looks like it's on the verge of free fall. So big time red flag on that one. And then we have Google, bearish 200-day moving average breakdown on news of expanded CapEx. Tesla, near 52-week lows on news of expanded CapEx. ServiceNow, just can't get bullish enough. Skeptics abound in this AI panic and SaaS apocalypse. Reddit, down just because they want to cut off the AI robots that are stealing their content. Intuitive Surgical, I had to give up. Another bad earnings report, stock is topping out. Albertsons, they can't pass on the price increases to customers. Margins get hit, investors hit the stock. Trade carefully this week. The Fed is coming up.